English Step by Step, Gerunds and Infinitives, Step 2. In the Step 1 video, you can find explanations with examples of verbs which use gerunds. So in the Step 2 video, you'll find a practice exercise. Remember, if you like the content of this video and would like to see more, please click like and subscribe. And if you'd like to request a lesson, please leave a comment below. So here we have the practice exercise, and you can see all of the verbs in these sentences, in these 10 sentences, are followed by gerunds. You can see disliked, miss, suggested, practice, enjoy, finished, gave up, imagine, involved, mentioned. All of these verbs can be followed by gerunds. Now, it's worth thinking about these verbs in your language because probably the grammar is different. So if you become familiar with these verbs and you become familiar with the gerund structure, then you can make many sentences and sound more English and avoid the typical mistakes of using infinitive. So look at the verbs on the right: do, get, have, live, open, see, smoke, use, visit, watch. Now, you have to change all of these into a gerund and then choose which gerund do you need for these 10 sentences. So, you can choose the appropriate verb for each sentence, change it into a gerund and fill in the gaps. And then when you've finished, you can write down the answers and you can check them in the next video, which will be the Step 3 video. Now, I'm going to leave this exercise on the screen for 1 minute, and you can pause the video, of course, write down the answers before moving on to check them.